Hello, what's going on guys? Rory Goddard here. Thank you so much for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money on YouTube without monetization. So you probably already know, but in order to monetize your channel on YouTube, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. So obviously in order to get to that point, it's going to take a lot of effort and it's also going to take a lot of time to get to that point. So, you even if you do want to eventually monetize your channel, you might as well be making money in the meantime. So whether you do want to monetize your channel or whether you just want to find a way to make money on YouTube a lot quicker, then this strategy that I'm about to share with you is definitely the best strategy. I'm going to show you how to do this strategy for free, but I'm also going to show you some advanced methods that, if you want to turn this into a full-time online passive income, these are the strategies that you want to use. Before we get stuck into the content, if you want to learn more about my #1 recommendation of how to make money online, head down to the description below, click the first link and sign up to the free training. But let's get straight into the content of this video now. Alright, so what we're going to be doing, guys, is we're going to be utilizing the power of affiliate marketing. Now, just in case you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's essentially just the process of earning a commission for simply referring a customer to purchase a particular product or service. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your YouTube channel for affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you everything from how to find the right products, how to choose the right niche, how to actually get your affiliate links, how to create content that is going to appeal to your target audience, and then how to make sure that the people that are actually viewing your videos are clicking through to the link and making a purchase. So I'm going to show you all of that in this video, so be sure to stick around. I'm going to go through step by step, so don't skip ahead, follow all the way through to the end, and you will be well on your way to making money on YouTube without needing monetization. Alright guys, so the very first step you're going to take is you're going to choose a niche. So you're going to identify a particular interest area, identify a particular target audience who have particular goals or particular challenges that they're trying to overcome, and that's what you're going to base your YouTube channel about. So one thing to note here is that any niche can be made profitable. However, there are certain niches out there that are more profitable than others or are in high demand. So some of the most profitable niches are definitely money, health, and relationships or personal development. These are definitely the biggest 3 niches out there, but what I will say is probably the most important thing to consider is to choose something that you're at least interested in, know a little bit about, and ideally are passionate about, because the more you know about something, the more passionate you are about something, it's going to be a lot easier for you to create genuine quality content on your YouTube channel that's going to connect with your target audience, help them to get to know, like, and trust you better, see that you understand where they're coming from, and have the the knowledge and understanding to be able to recommend products to them, feeling confident that you're giving them the best recommendation for something that is actually going to help them. So that is my tip for picking a niche. Picking a niche that you are at least interested in, know a little bit about, but ideally passionate about. Alright guys, so the next step is you're going to go out and you're going to find products or services that you could actually promote to this target audience. You want to go out and find products or services that you actually believe in, that you truly think will be able to help your target audience with whatever it is they're trying to achieve. It's really important that you do believe in the product, because that will be conveyed in your videos on YouTube, and the more people can see that you truly believe in this product, the more they're going to trust you, and the more they're going to trust that this product is right for them, and that and therefore they're more likely going to actually make the purchase. Now, some things in regards to choosing the right product for affiliate marketing, what I recommend is that you find products, higher commission products or recurring income products. So if you're only going to be making $12 per sale, you really have to make, put in the same amount of effort to make that sale and earn that $12 as what you do for a product that sells for $1,000 and you make $500. Or you could find products out there depending on your niche where there are recurring payments. So for example, like online software where people pay a monthly fee, there are affiliate programs out there where you can actually earn regular monthly commissions when people sign up under you. So that's probably what I would look for. Programs where you're at least getting $100 one-off or a recurring income commission. Now in terms of going out and actually trying to find affiliate programs or products within affiliate programs, it's probably a lot easier than what you might think. A lot of companies and businesses now have their very own affiliate program, so it's just a matter of going out, finding businesses and companies within your niche and researching whether they have affiliate programs. The other thing you can go do is you can go to what's called an affiliate network. So if you go to clickbank.com, it's what's called an affiliate network, and basically when you sign up to clickbank.com, it has a vast library of different products in any number of niches that as soon as you become a member, you can actually promote any of the products within this this network. And like I said, it has a vast library of different products within different niches. So this is the back end, and as you can see here on the left, these are all the categories of products and services that you can go into and find things to promote within ClickBank. The program that I really like to promote, or the product that I really like to promote, is ClickFunnels. They have a number of different products you can promote. One is the One Funnel Away challenge, which sells for $100, and you actually earn 100% commission of that. So you earn $100 for that. They also have an online software where you can earn a monthly commission for people who sign up to that. They have a dream car program where when you have 100 active members of their online software, you then get an extra $500 a month to put towards your dream car. So really a fantastic affiliate program, but that really depends on what your niche is. So it's just a matter of you going out, finding businesses or companies, or going into affiliate networks and finding products and services within your niche that you truly think are going to help your target audience. All right guys, so the next step is you're going to go out and actually create your affiliate link. So the URL that you're actually going to be sending people to in order to purchase the products, to make sure that you're earning a commission from that. Now, as you'll see when we actually go in to create the affiliate link, it is quite a messy looking link. So I'm also going to show you how to shorten that link, and in the process you're also going to be able to track how many people are actually clicking on that link to see to see how well your videos are doing in terms of actually getting people to click through and take a look at the sales page at least. So in order to create your affiliate link, it really depends on the affiliate program that you're a part of, but I'll just show you within ClickBank. So you simply go into one of these areas, find a product that you want to promote. You simply hit the promote button and create an affiliate link. So you just hit generate hop link, and this here is your affiliate link. So whenever anyone clicks through that link, makes a purchase of this product, you're going to earn a certain percentage commission on it. In ClickBank, it'll tell you exactly how much you'll earn. So let's just go into a different category. So you can see for this product, if someone were to purchase through your affiliate link, you would earn $823. So that is a high commission, high ticket offer that would be well worth promoting if it was in your niche. But yeah, again, simply if you wanted to promote that, you would hit promote. And again, this would be different for the affiliate program that you're in, but just to give you an idea of how it works. Okay, so for that one, you actually need to be pre-approved. Let's go to the next one. So this one here, promote, generate hop link, and there it is. So this is your link. So as you can see, it is quite a messy link. not so attractive for people to click on. So what we'll do is we're going to go to Bitly. Now this is a free software. It's got a free version that, you know, it's fine to use. All you need to do is go in and hit create, paste your affiliate link there, and create the link. And then this link here is now going to be what you share. And the great thing about this software is it tracks how many people are actually clicking on that link. So that's it for this step. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so the next step is to start researching and creating valuable content that your target audience is out there looking for. So the tools that I recommend using for this are Keywords Everywhere. So it's simply just a plugin you can plug into your browser. And what this does is anytime you start, you know, type in searches within any of the search engines, so Google, Bing, or YouTube, it will actually tell you how many times that keyword or that keyword phrase has been searched for, you know, how often it's searched every month. So you can get a good idea of if it is a good keyword phrase or search phrase to actually search to create content around, because you know that people are actually looking for that content. The other piece of software that I recommend, so Keywords Everywhere, it's a free plugin. The other one I recommend is TubeBuddy. Again, TubeBuddy have a free version, but essentially what TubeBuddy does is it can, you know, it helps you to calculate how many searches, particularly on YouTube, a particular search keyword phrase has, but it also tells you how much competition there is out there. So for example, you know, when I was researching this particular video, how to make money on YouTube without monetization, so it's you know, got this little sidebar here telling me how often it's searched and, you know, the competition, and it's giving me an overall rating of how easy it might be to actually rank for this video, but as well there's enough search traffic out there that people are actually going to find this video and watch it, because it's something that they're looking for. So yeah, you want to start going out there and start researching using these tools. There are other tools out there that you might be able to find, and start creating valuable content for your target audience. You want to actually provide them with value in your content so that you can develop trust with them, so that they can get to know, like, and trust you, so that when you do start to recommend products to them, they're going to, you know, trust you and trust to make that purchase. So the next thing you want to do is you want to do SEO on all of the videos that you upload. So you want to do search engine optimization. So you want to make sure that you're communicating to YouTube exactly what your video is about, so that when people are searching those search terms, your video is actually going to be recommended to these people, or it's going to be recommended in the sidebar to similar videos. So the way that you're going to do that is you want to firstly make sure, you know, the keyword phrase or the keyword that you're targeting is within your the name of your video. You also want to name the file of your video. So before you upload it, you want to name the file of your video the keyword phrase. You also want to create a thumbnail that is named, you know, the same, and save that file as a keyword phrase and upload that as the thumbnail. And then the other thing, as I said, you want to make sure you put all the relevant tags in there. So TubeBuddy is another tool that can help you with tags. So I can't show you now while I'm not actually uploading a video, but when you're uploading a video, it will give you, and you've written the description of the video, and you've put in the title, it will start to generate suggested tags for you to actually include. The other thing I will say is in your description as well, you should write a good description that has your keyword phrase throughout the description. So again, that's communicating to YouTube what your video is about, and we'll make sure that it's recommended when it needs to be. The other way you can, you know, choose tags is you can go into other videos that are already ranking well, and you can use TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy will actually show you the tags that they're using, and you can copy, you know, if you can just copy their tags, because obviously, you know, they've found the right tags to help their video rank on the first page. So if you can use those, you know, that's going to get you a long way to ranking better on YouTube as well. So they're all the steps that you need to take to make sure that you're optimizing your videos to be actually be found on YouTube. All right, so the last step you want to take here is you want to be linking your target audience from your YouTube channel to your the products and services that you're promoting. So what you want to do is you want to include your affiliate link in the description of all of your videos, and then in your videos you want to mention it. So for example, let's just say you're in the weight loss niche. For any video that you're creating, you want to say, perhaps you could say at the start of the video, if you want to learn my number one way to shrink belly fat, then head down to the description, click the first link, and then click the link that'll take them through to the sales page where, you know, the person selling this product has actually created a proper sales page that's designed to convert the people that visit that page, and they will do the rest for you, make the sale, and you will earn the commission. So that's basically it. But within all of your videos, you want to make sure that you're providing value, like I've said previously. So make sure that your main goal of your video isn't to direct them to the link. It is to provide them with value, because that's how they're going to, you know, continue watching your videos, and then when the time is right, they're going to actually click the link and make the purchase. But yeah, that's basically the process of affiliate marketing and how you can actually make money with affiliate marketing without on YouTube without having to monetize your channel. Now, if you want to learn some more advanced strategies, so far what I've shown you, it's all free. Everything that I've shown you, you can do for free. If you want to learn some more advanced strategies to actually make a full-time income out of affiliate marketing through YouTube, if you want to, you know, build an actual long-term sustainable business, you know, that requires a little bit of investment. It's not too much investment, but if you want to learn more about those strategies and what tools and things that you would need to do that, then what I recommend you do is, again, head down to the description below, click the first link, and sign up to the 100% free training teaching you all of those things, teaching you how to set up an affiliate marketing business, you know, as a long-term sustainable thing. That's just about it for this video. I really hope you've gotten value from it. If you have and you want to show your appreciation, please hit the like button. If you want to learn more about, you know, different ways of making money online and specifically affiliate marketing, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And I really hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.